How to send crypto from Binance to Binance Wallet. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to send crypto from Binance Exchanger to Binance Wallet. After you open your Binance app like this now, go to Assets. After you open the asset now, go to Wallet. So after you open the wallet, Binance Wallet like this now, go ahead and tap on this asset again. So from this asset now, tap on this receive button. So now tap on this option, receive token from Binance Exchange, this one. So from this option now, you'll be able now to see the list of coin that you have in your Binance Exchanger. So now I'll transfer USDT. So tap on this coin you want to send. After you select the coin you want to send, select the network, Binance Smart Chain, and tap on continue. So from this option now, tap on this confirm button. So from this option now, all you have to do now go ahead now and specify the amount of USDT or a crypto you want to send. So for me, let's say I want to send all of my USDT into my Binance wallet. So now if I tap on this max, if I tap on this now withdraw button, now the money or the crypto will be sent to my wallet, to my Binance wallet. That's it guys on how to transfer or how to send crypto from Binance Exchanger to Binance wallet. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.